to make
Brainy Bites! Rainbow fruit kebabs! To make these fresh and fruity rainbow kebabs, you'll need blueberries, grapes, kiwi fruit, pineapple, rock melon, strawberries, raspberries, some skewers, and of course a grown-up to help. Now let's cut the fruit into shapes. Circles, triangles, squares. These fruity objects are all three-dimensional. They have height, width, and depth. Now let's turn them into kebabs. What will we start with? Blueberries. Then the grapes. Kiwi fruit. Pineapple. Rock melon. Strawberries. And raspberries. I said raspberries.
Why, thank you.
Rainbow fruit kebabs. A whole rainbow of yum. Barbecue!
Great grumpy grapes.
Yummy.